Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive regularly, whether it's daily commuting, long trips, or even rideshare driving, having a reliable dash cam is no longer optional. It's one of the smartest investments you can make for safety, security, and peace of mind. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. We're going to look at video quality, night performance, features like parking mode and GPS, and most importantly, which one is actually worth your money. Make sure you watch until the end because each of these dash cams is designed for a different type of user. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N5S 4-channel dash cam. This is a 4-channel system, meaning it records front, rear, inside the cabin, and an additional angle for near full 360-degree coverage. It supports up to 2.7K resolution, along with multiple full HD streams. You also get STARVIS 2 night vision, voice control, dual GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for massive storage up to 1 terabyte. In actual use, this dash cam is incredibly powerful. The biggest advantage is total coverage. Whether it's someone hitting your car from behind, an incident inside the vehicle, or something happening in front, everything is recorded. Night performance is excellent thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensors. License plates and details are easier to capture even in low light. The buffered parking mode is another standout feature. It records moments before and after motion is detected, which is critical for security. Pros: true multi-angle recording with 4 channels, excellent night vision performance, advanced features like voice control and GPS, ideal for rideshare and professional drivers. If you want maximum protection and complete recording coverage, this is easily one of the best options available. Number 2. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dash cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam with 4K front recording, 4K rear recording, and 1080p interior capture. It uses advanced STARVIS 2 sensors, supports HDR night vision, and includes Wi-Fi 6 and built-in 4G LTE connectivity. You also get ADAS features and 24-hour parking monitoring. The standout feature here is connectivity. With 4G LTE, you can remotely access your car, view footage, and receive alerts. Video quality is extremely sharp, especially with dual 4K recording. This makes a big difference when capturing fine details like license plates. The ADAS system adds an extra layer of safety with alerts for lane departure and collisions. Pros: dual 4K recording, remote access via 4G LTE, smart driving assistance features, and strong night performance. This is perfect for users who want smart features, remote monitoring, and high-end video quality. Number 3. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dash cam. This dash cam records front, rear, and interior footage using a 3-channel setup. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and parking mode support. It also supports large storage capacity up to 1 terabyte. This model focuses on reliability and simplicity. It doesn't try to overload you with features, but it performs consistently well. Video quality is clear, and the night performance is dependable. Installation is also easier compared to more complex systems. Pros: reliable 3-channel coverage, good night visibility, easy to install and use, and stable performance. If you want a straightforward dash cam that does its job well without complications, this is a great choice. Number 4. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam. This is a dual-channel dash cam with 4K front recording and 2K rear recording. It includes HDR support, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, voice control, GPS, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This dash cam stands out for its image quality. The 4K front camera captures sharp, detailed footage, and HDR helps balance bright and dark areas. Night recording is also very strong, making it easier to identify important details. Pros: excellent 4K video clarity, strong HDR performance, reliable and durable, fast data transfer. This is the best option if your top priority is capturing the highest quality footage possible. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. This dashcam records in 4K for the front and 2K for the rear. It includes STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, a 3-inch display, and comes with a free 128GB memory card and CPL filter. This is one of the best value for money options on the list. It delivers strong video quality and fast file transfers thanks to Wi-Fi 6. The included accessories add extra value, especially for beginners. Pros: excellent value package, good video quality, fast connectivity, and useful included accessories. If you want a balance between price and performance, this is a smart pick. So here's a quick summary to help you decide. For complete 360-degree coverage, the Vantrue N5S is ideal. For smart features and remote access, the 70mm T800 is great. For balanced performance and simplicity, the Vantrue N4S is excellent. For best video quality, the VIOFO A229 Pro shines. And for best value, the ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro is a great choice. Each of these dashcams is designed for a different type of user, so the best one depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.